Zoo animals. Monkey. A monkey who prefers bananas and wants to sleep. Camel. Camels are very cute and polite animals. Deer. Deer grow in large forests and prefer silence. Bear. The bear likes to eat a lot and is also a very dangerous animal. He prefers fish a lot. Giraffe. Giraffes are very tall. They like to eat from trees. Panda. Panda bears are very playful and friendly. Look at this bear. It's very cute. Tiger. Tigers like to swim. The tiger is a beautiful animal. It is very strong and runs very fast. Elephant. The elephant is a big animal. He likes fruits a lot. He has a big trunk and 2 long horns. Lion. The lion has very big fur. He prefers to eat meat. He is also a king of the jungle. He likes animals.